Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone won't update apps. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. Since yesterday, I cannot update apps from the App Store. Apps can be downloaded but cannot be installed or cannot be downloaded at all. I have searched for some solutions on the internet, however, none of them can solve my problem. Does anyone know how to fix an Android phone that won't update apps? What can I do to fix Android phone not updating apps? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When apps not updating an Android phone occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix Android phone won't update apps problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Unstable network. The solution is to check if the network is working. To update apps, your Android device must be connected to the internet. Therefore, if your apps won't update on Android phone, it may be due to network problems. Please check your internet connection to see if it is working and the network speed is normal. If it is normal, try the next method. If not, try to use another network to check if the problem persists. Cause 2. Insufficient storage. The solution is to check and clear the storage space. As we all know, any application will occupy the corresponding storage space of the device according to its size. During the application update process, the installation package needs to be downloaded on your Android device. If the storage space of the Android device is insufficient at this time, the update process will fail. This phenomenon will make you think that you can't update apps on Android phone. To troubleshoot this problem, please follow my steps. Please open the phone settings, find and tap storage in the phone settings, and check if your space is less than 15% or less in the storage interface. If so, free up storage space or delete unnecessary files or upload some files to the cloud. After that, please restart the Android device and check if the Android phone apps don't get updates problem is solved. Cause 3. Incorrect system time and date. The solution is to check and modify the system time and date. If your Android device time and date are inconsistent with the server time, it will cause the server authentication to fail, which will cause the phone won't update apps. To solve this problem, you need to make sure that your time and data are accurate. You can do this. Open the phone settings, find and tap the system and update option. Then find and tap the date and time option. Here, see if there is an enable automatic time and data option. If there is and you have not turned it on, turn it on as soon as possible. This will synchronize the time and data with the online time server to fix the problem of Android phone not updating apps. Cause 4. There are temporary errors or glitches. The solution is to restart the Android phone to fix temporary errors and glitches. During the use of the phone, there may be some temporary errors or glitches. Often these temporary errors will cause some problems. For example, Android phone is not updating apps. To solve this problem, just restart the Android phone. Restarting the phone can reopen the Android system and eliminate temporary errors. Here are the steps to restart an Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears, and then directly click the restart icon or button, and then the Android phone will automatically restart to the home page. You can also find the shutdown icon or button on the restart screen, turn off your Android phone, wait for a minute or so, and then turn it back on. If it is an operating system malfunction, restarting the phone will be able to help you fix the apps on Android phone won't update issue. Cause 5. Corrupted system files. The solution is to check the installed system version. Sometimes, apps are not updating just pending may be affected by the device's own system. When its system files are corrupted, this may affect the download and update app function. Reinstalling the update can fix the error and allow your Android phone to update apps normally. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download the software. Once the update is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then turn back on. If none of the above solutions work, take your phone to the phone manufacturer's service center or ask someone to see if they have any suggestions. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix apps not updating on Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.